First, you will need to power up your EEC 8500 series power source. Be sure to use the appropriate input line cord and connect the wires to the terminal lug located on the rear panel. Please reference the user manual for details on the input wires and connections. The input connections are clearly marked with L, N, and G for line, neutral, and ground connections. Make sure to install the safety cover after all input connections have been made. Connect the other end of the line cord to the outlet receptacle. You will also need to plug the remote interlock key into the signal input terminal on the rear panel. The power source will not output any voltage or current without this key. The remote interlock function also allows the user to wire the power source to a DUT enclosure. This is a safe workstation best practice. Press the power button on the front of the 8500 series. The screen will automatically navigate to the test screen. The EEC 8500 series power sources have a versatile user interface that includes a rotary knob and a push-button keypad with multifunctional keys. Press any key on the keypad, and the main menu will drop down on the screen. The four selections are Mode, File, Meter, and System, all associated with a number. To enter any of these selections, press the number associated with the desired selection on the keypad. The functions of the keys, 1 through 5, change depending on the menu you are in. To enter the system menu, press 5 on the keypad when the drop-down menu is visible. This will display all the system parameters. Use the rotary knob to highlight the desired system parameter for editing. Press the rotary knob or the Enter key to edit the desired parameter for editing. Both the rotary knob or the keypad can be used to enter and save the parameter value. Press the rotary knob or the Enter key on the keypad to save the value and move to the next system parameter. The system parameter menu has two screens. Be sure to use the rotary knob to scroll all the way down to the last parameter on the first page. Continue to scroll until the next page is displayed. Press the Exit key on the keypad to exit back to the test screen. For details on system parameter descriptions and ranges, please reference the user manual. Next, press any key on the keypad to drop down the main menu bar. Press the number 1 key to enter the mode. Select from Manual, List, Step, Pulse, and Library. Some of these modes are only available with the advanced option. For details on options, please reference the user manual or reach out to EEC. Press the number key associated with the desired selection to set the output mode. Once the mode is set, press any key on the keypad to drop down the menu bar. Press 2 on the keypad to enter the File menu. In File menu, the user can add, edit, load, copy, and delete test files. To add a test file, press the 1 key on the keypad. Use the keypad to enter a file name. Press Enter to save the file name. Next, the screen will display all the test parameters based on the mode you are in. Use the rotary knob and/or the keypad to edit and save the test parameters. For details on test parameter descriptions and ranges, please reference the specifications in the user manual. Press the Exit key on the keypad, and you will see your newly created test file listed. Test files are saved on the memory of the power source based on the mode type they were created in. To load a test file, press any key from the test screen to display the menu bar. Press 2 to enter the File menu. Use the rotary knob to select the desired test file. Press the number 3 key on the keypad to load the file. The test screen will be displayed with the test that you loaded. This screen displays a few selected test parameters along with all of the necessary meters for measurement. You are now ready to start testing. Once the desired test file is loaded, connect the DUT or load to be tested. To connect a load, use the properly rated wires based on the specification listed in the user manual for output wiring. Connect the output wires to the output terminal lug located on the rear panel. Once the DUT or load is connected and all the connections are secured, you are ready to start testing. Please consider all other safe practices before beginning to test. Press the Output Reset key on the front panel to initiate a test.